There once was a mischievous parrot named Benny who loved mimicking his owner's voice. One afternoon, Benny was left alone with the phone. Bored, he tapped the speed dial and perfectly imitated, "Hello, Pizza Palace. I'd like to order 20 anchovy pizzas." The bewildered pizza guy asked for details, so Benny squawked, "Deliver to the house with the big red mailbox." By the time the owner returned, there were 20 pizzas, a confused delivery guy, and Benny proudly declaring, "Tip for the bird." The owner never left Benny alone with the phone again.